I'm going to tell the story about the noise. Am I telling the story?
Yeah,
the kiss noise.
it.
Here I go.
Go,
so
Karen!
I got married, so it turned out well. When I first met this man, and he went in for the first kiss, I made this noise. And I've never lived it down, and I don't know why I did it. And then as soon as they heard this story, they were like, we're doing that in the movie. When I go in to kiss the character that I'm kissing, I make the noise and then apologize for it.
I'm so sorry. I don't know why I did that. Okay.
And like that's a perfect example of where I'm finally getting to kind of use all of my own little personality traits that I don't think I've ever put on screen before, actually.
Yeah, she's just
Karen's
so
weird.
funny, and she's really weird.